Dr. Chandrasekhar Ji Gorpade joining us on the right hand side of Kamlesh Ji Prasad. He's always the right man, always on the right side, and with him we have the convener of SCPL 2025, Abhishek Ji Bhandari, joining us for the finals of the SCPL Cricket Championship. कोई भी गेम आप लोगों के बिना पूरा नहीं होगा. So can I have my umpires and the scorer for this match joining us inside the turf before we officially start the Cricket Championship finals for SCPL 2025. So yes, किसका आवाज ज्यादा है उस पे टीम लाइनअप होगा. तो मैं पहले आवाज सुनूंगा एंड फिर मैं इनवाइट करूंगा. ज्याचा आवाज मोठा त्याची एंट्री पहिली. Okay, can I hear it for RR Cheetahs? Can I hear it for Radhe Energy? Okay, ये मैं देख रहा था अपने एनर्जी बची है नहीं. हाँ, so before I welcome you for the finals, I also want the people who are working so relentlessly. काफी लोग अपना काफी समय, खूप सारे मंडळी आपला चांगला समय इथे देत आहेत. Can I have the SCPL committee joining us for the final match? Before we start the final match, can I have the SCPL committee, आपकी sports committee, please line up with us, the SCPL committee, for this fantastic sports arrangement spread between 6 weekends, almost 3+ months. And now the time comes. The camera sets, the smiles are on as we welcome the RR Cheetahs inside the turf for the Sports Championship. RR Cheetahs, the whole turf is waiting for you. Keep waving. RR Cheetahs, you are welcome inside the turf. Keep waving the hands for RR Cheetahs. Please walk in. Sir, आप हटेंगे. RR Cheetahs, your final style walk starts on the right hand side. You will line up on the right side. On the right hand side we have RR Cheetahs coming up. आपके क्लैप के बिना कोई एंट्री नहीं होगी. Crowd, you need to clap for RR Cheetahs. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Let's hear it.
अब जोश बोलेगा.
Oh, let's welcome the RR Cheetahs inside the lovely stadium of the turf as we welcome the team RR Cheetahs. आपकी आवाज गूंजनी चाहिए. आपकी आवाज ये आगाज बन जाए. Come on, make some noise for RR Cheetahs inside the turf. So on the right hand side we have RR Cheetahs. ही आग तुम्ही बघितली, ह्याच्यापेक्षा जोरदार, रंगतदार योर स्माइल्स. सर यस, आपका टेक्निकल टाइम में जरूर दूंगा आपको. आपके टेक्निकल टाइम में वी विल क्विकली हैव दिस वंडरफुल RR Cheetah सेटअप. एंड सी, कोई भी चैंपियनशिप पूरे स्क्वाड के बिना तो पूरा नहीं होगा, राइट? तो सिर्फ क्रिकेट का स्क्वाड नहीं चाहिए. कैन आई हैव द कंप्लीट RR Cheetah squad into 7 different sports joining us inside the turf? All the players from RR Cheetahs into 7 different sports played in SCPL. Can I have you inside the turf? RR Cheetahs. एवढेच आहेत? Perfect. Chalo. So at least can you make a victory sign for yourself till the technical rehearsal is happening? And the photo person. Who are the photo person around here? A quick victory photo with RR Cheetahs here. We need 2 minutes there. You need a victory sign, right? Victory sign. You plan to win the finals of cricket? Yes? If you plan to win, let's have the victory sign with a complete great photograph for RR Cheetahs. Are you ready? Are you Yes, and let's welcome the Radhe Energy Leopards with lot of energy on the left hand side. On the left hand side, Radhe Energy Leopards. Keep adding up that energy to the camera. Radhe Energy Leopards welcoming inside.
अब जोश बोलेगा.
Lovely to see the super energy inside at Radhe Energy Leopards. Any squad member remaining of Radhe Energy Leopards is invited inside. आपको तुम्ही कुठल्याही स्पोर्ट्स मध्ये खेळलेले असताल Radhe Energy Leopards, you are invited inside the turf. Yes, now with the permission of the tournament director. So on your right, sir, you have RR Cheetahs. It's right?
Right.
And so convener on your left, you have the Radhe Energy Leopards. Am I right?
Yes.
Superb. So can I have a fantastic lineup? And इसमें आप सभी का involvement जरूरी है. So let's feel pride that हम भारतीय है. So let's start our national anthem before the start of the finals. आपण सगळ्यात जणांना विनंती आहे की नॅशनल अँथम साठी आपण जिथेही उपस्थित आहात तिथे प्राइडनी आपण आपल्या नॅशनल अँथम साठी उभे राहूयात. कन्सोल ओव्हर टू यू.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा. विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा. तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे. गाहे तव जय गाथा. जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
सब एक साथ बोलेंगे भारत माता की. भारत माता की. So yes, thank you so much everyone. Outside the turf can be seated up and let's welcome each other with fantastic claps. And as I join ahead, so yes, we have a lot of good people around here, but can I request only the playing 7 of the cricket match to step one step ahead. जहां पे भी आप खड़े हो, मैम आपको बाहर नहीं जाना, आपको टीम के साथ रहना है. Only playing 7, can you step ahead of both the teams? Playing 7, thank you so much. And playing 3 of SCPL, the brains of SCPL, can I request you to please come one step ahead? Kamlesh ji, Gurpati ji and Abhishek ji. So yes, as we move forward, can I request the secretary, Honorable Kamlesh Prasad, to first have the toss for the coming up match before we go ahead into the segment. And before we go to the toss, the captain from the playing 7 join us at the center. Captain from the playing 7 join us at the center. And the call, Kamlesh ji.
So this is Satara Club and this is SCPL.
वायरलेसची बॅटरी काढ आणि त्याला कॅमेरा टाक.
Radhe is going to give a call. SCPL.
Yeah, so before we go into that, let's keep clapping for Radhe Electricals for giving the call and RR Cheetahs for winning the call. So yes, and before I go to the decision, Shubham and I, both the captains, please join us at the center. So there's always a good handshake, but before the good handshake, Anirudh ji and Shubham ji, before a fantastic handshake, can I have the handshake? मतलब टशन देने के पहले दोस्ती तो बना लो, right? And now what is the quick Tashan statement you want to give to RR Cheetahs?
We are going to play friendly.
You have to go play friendly. भैया फाइनल्स में डिप्लोमेटिक आंसर दे रहा भाई कि मैं प्ले फ्रेंडली करूंगा. याद रखना सबसे ज्यादा स्लेजिंग यही करेंगे, राइट? एंड नाउ व्हाट्स योर स्टेटमेंट फॉर, yes, you have an intervention there, she wants to add up something. What's your playing statement?
We are gonna play our best and play like a cheetah and win the championship.
Okay, agile like cheetah and win the championship. Shubham gives the clear statement. But before you depart here for the final championship, what's three of you want to give a greetings to the final match, starting with the tournament director?
Best wishes with both the teams. All the best, Cheetahs. All the best, Radhe Energy. That's it.
Both the teams have done a very fabulous job and they have come here. So congratulations to RR Cheetahs and Radhe. And I know they are going to give their 100%. And I'm pretty much sure that the best team will win.
Yes, congratulations first to both the teams for making to the finals. It has been a tough last 7 days, ups and downs for everyone, and you two have made it to the finals. And the points table say that the team which will lose will be the runner-up team of the championship as well. So this has come up very nicely for the tournament. I am very happy, and so all the best to both of you.
The Chanakya says it that whosoever comes on the points table rightly, so the convener is managing all of this. But yes, keep your hearts glued. आपकी तालियां इनकी एनर्जी बनेंगी. So let's keep clapping for the finals of the cricket championship of SCPL 2025. And before I give an adieu to the other people, can I request first the Radhe Electrical not playing squad to join us in the audience? Radhe Electrical not playing squad to join us in the audience. Parallelly, can I request RR Cheetahs not playing squad to join us in the audience? RR Cheetahs not playing squad to join us in the audience. Can I request the SCPL committee? SCPL committee, thank you for joining us. Can you please join the audience? And can I request the umpires and the scorers to please take up your responsibilities for the match as we go ahead. And thank you Shubham and thank you Anirudh for this fantastic presentation. Before we start, I want an official start from you to start the final match. You are the final authority.
So it is RR Cheetahs who is going to bat first. Wish you all the best. Wish you all the best, Radhe. Thank you.
Yes, this was from the presentation of the opening of the final championship. Let's keep the claps happening for the final match.
अब जोश बोलेगा. अब जोश बोलेगा.
Sound check, sound check, sound check. Am I audible? Is it clear now? Is it clear? ओमकार व्हॉइस आहे का बरोबर? साऊंड आहे? ऐकू जात नव्हता मागाशी.
जोश बोलेगा.
शुभम सर, शुभम सर.
अब जोश बोलेगा. 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 अब जोश बोलेगा.
ओके, एक 2 मिनिट म्युझिक ऑफ. अँड अन इम्पॉर्टंट अनाउन्समेंट. स्कोररच्या इथे फक्त एकच रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह असेल दोन्ही टीम्सचा. आणि जेव्हा अंपायर विल ऑल्सो कॉल फॉर अ रिव्ह्यू, देअर ओन रिव्ह्यू किंवा द टीम रिव्ह्यू, तेव्हा सुद्धा नो वन इज गोइंग टू पीक इन टू द स्क्रीन्स. त्याने खूप डिस्टर्बन्स येतोय आणि खूप जास्ती कॅओस क्रिएट होतोय. सो प्लीज वी रिक्वेस्ट बोथ टीम्स, let's make it as clean and clear as possible. So please cooperate with the management. जोश बोलेगा। अब जोश बोलेगा। अब जोश बोलेगा। अब जोश बोलेगा। And And here we go. Players are all warmed up, charged up for this extraordinary show off. Bhushan Wadikar. First runs off the bat for the Cheetahs. And a sensible single by Bhushan to get the first runs off the bat. Swing and a miss. Anirudh is ferociously fast. And it's time for the magic ball. First over, 2 runs on the board. And here we go. A single, so the Cheetahs get 2. After the first over of the final, it's 4 for no loss for the Cheetahs. And we've got full capacity crowd here. The crowd, the spectators getting involved in this fascinating end to the tournament. 7 sports, and it finally comes down to the last game of the last sport, and we do not yet have a winner. And that's a brilliant ball.
अब जोश बोलेगा.
And Bhushan will have to go off the court. And in walks Saisha. Female players have held the key throughout the tournament. Remember that every run they score gets doubled. Every single they score of a magic ball gets quadrupled. And their stay for around 8 to 10 balls, where they get 6 to 7 singles, can change the course of the game in the long run. .3 overs down, and it's 5 for 1 for the RR Cheetahs. It's 5 for 1 for the loss of 1 wicket. And a huge crucial blow to the Cheetahs. It's 5 for 2 and in walks Aditya, number 17. And Ketan is on fire. It's 5 for 2 of 1.5 overs, which means it's the magic ball. And very good field placement by the Leopards. It's a very good throw there from the long off, but very good throw. He almost got Shubham at the non-striker's end, and at the end of the second over, it's 9 for 2 for the RR Cheetahs. They scored a couple of runs of the last ball, which means they got 4 because it was a magic ball. It is 9 for 2 after the first 2 overs. And the RR Cheetahs bat quite deep. And Saurabh Bosal walks in.
अब जोश बोलेगा.
And it's the umpire's review. They just want to check whether it's a 4 or a 6. So let's just pause for a moment. And I request only the umpire to come and peep into the screen. Let's maintain some discipline. Okay, so balls hit the top of the net. We've just checked and it's 4 runs. What a wonderful strike by Shubham. Let's wait for a moment. The umpires need to get back in. Otherwise, we could have a riot. .2 overs and it's 14 for 2. Another single was in the air for a bit, but it cleared the fielder at short mid off. 2.4 was down and it's 16 for 2. So the Cheetah scoring a run a ball. It's time for the magic ball. Magic ball. End of the third over and it's 18 for 2 for the Cheetahs. 3 overs नंतर 18 runs, 2 wickets. And the Cheetahs have somewhat steadied the ship and the game looks pretty well balanced at this point. (18 for 2) of the first 3 overs, and it's Vicky Basel who is going to okay, so it's going to be Vicky Basel, and keeping the wickets is going to be Saurav Basel for the Leopards. Swing and a miss. It's been called a no ball.
अब जोश बोलेगा.
And that's pretty well
अब जोश
controlled
बोलेगा.
by Vicky. He bowled a decently good length, and Anirudh at the long off, as safe as anyone in the game. He just gobbled it and took the opportunity. And in walks Runal. Just a bit of a confusion, miscommunication between the two, but they comfortably complete the single in the end. Another swing and a miss. Ricocheted off Shilpa Madam's hand, and Cheetahs get another single. 3.5 overs, 23 for 3, and it is the magic ball. Another swing and a miss. At the end of the 4th over, it's 23 for 3. (23 for 3) after 4 overs, and Cheetahs have 2 of their best batsmen doing the job right now, and the Leopards have done wonderfully well to contain the Cheetahs. 23 for 3 after 4 overs. They're scoring at 5.75 runs per over. It's a no ball because it was pitched. That's great running between the wickets. Young legs, they can sprint like anything. And Runal gave absolutely no chance to the fielder at long on.
अब जोश बोलेगा.
And bit of a chaos there. Runal at the non-strikers could not hear the no ball call, and he thought that the catch was taken cleanly and hence did not run. A bit of confusion. That's hit at the top of the net, so it's not going to be out any which way even if it's caught. It's 29 for 3 after 4.4. And it is the magic ball, as you all must have guessed. 4.5 overs, 29 for 3.
जोश बोलेगा.
So the magic ball is a dot ball, and at the end of the 5th over, it's 29 for 3. The Leopards doing wonderfully well to contain the Cheetahs, who have a great batting lineup. Good disciplined bowling
अब जोश
by the
बोलेगा.
Leopards.
अब जोश बोलेगा.
It's 29 for 3 after 5 overs. Runal Bhosle and Shubham Wagmare, two of the best batsmen, not just for the Cheetahs but also the league in general, are on the field. And it's a good discipline show by the Leopards. They've considered just 5 extras. That takes some discipline in a format like this, where we've seen extras being licked. That's a good hard hit by Shubham.
अब जोश बोलेगा.
And that's a boundary. 4 runs being given by the umpire. It had hit the side of the net before it hit the main net.
अब जोश बोलेगा.
It's a great effort, a mind-blowing effort by Anirudh at long off, but nevertheless the Cheetahs get a 6. It's 39 for 3 after 5.2. It's 40 for 3 after 5.3. And Shubham is doing a great job here for the Cheetahs. Another no ball. And it's 45 for 3 after 5.4.
अब जोश
Hit
बोलेगा
very hard again. And after 5.5 overs, it's 49 for 3. It's 49 for 3 after 5.5 overs. And it is time for the magic ball. The penultimate magic ball.
अब जोश बोलेगा अब जोश बोलेगा
At the end of the 6th over, it's 61. It is 61 for 3. That's great job at long off by Anirudh. He saved 6 priceless runs for his team. The Cheetahs get 1 and the score is 64 for 3 after 6.2. Last 4 balls of the innings. That's very well bowled by Shilpa ma'am. She's bowled a wide Yorker, which is one of the most difficult deliveries to get off in a format like this. Okay, it is time for the magic ball. The last ball of the innings. And the Cheetahs have 76 on the board. The highest score of the league. And a sensible end. They could have stolen a second run, but that would have had its own risk. And the final score is 78. 78 for 3 of 6.
अब जोश बोलेगा अब जोश बोलेगा.
78 for 3 of their quota of 7 overs, and the Leopards are going to have to do some work to chase this down. 79 is the target, and what a cracking swashbuckling display by Runal and Shubham. Shubham has played a captain's knock for his team. He carried the bat, opened the innings, took the strike, and he's remained not out. And he's possibly also scored the highest individual score of the tournament. We'll just get back on that in a bit.
अब जोश बोलेगा. 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 अब जोश बोलेगा.
And here we go, the Cheetahs with a Himalayan 79 to defend. An absolute Everest of a target. Let's see what the Leopards' approach will be.
अब जोश बोलेगा. अब जोश बोलेगा.
So it's
अब जोश बोलेगा.
and
अब जो
Okay, so the Leopards have lost their review. It's out, and a very, very important wicket, a crucial one. And Kanhaiya Dada, he generates serious pace and bounce. It's very difficult to tackle for any batsman. Magic ball. It's 1-for-1 after the end of the first over, and the Leopards now need 78 of 6 overs.
अब जोश बोलेगा.
And it's going to be Bhushan bowling for the Cheetahs, and cousin brothers Saurav and Vicky Batsal on the crease for the Leopards with 70 required of 6 overs. Oh! Great, fantastic effort by Kanhaiya Dada, the wicket keeper. No run in the end. Straight down the neck.
अब जोश बोलेगा. अब जोश बोलेगा.
And it looks like it's writing on the wall. The Cheetahs, they look like vultures going after their prey. It's been sheer dominance so far. Shilpa ma'am walks in for the Leopards. Magic 9. 2 for 2 of 1.4. Here's the 5th delivery. It's time for the magic ball. Saurav facing Bhushan. And he hits it towards covers, hits the net, ricochets off the net, and he gets a single. After the end of the second over, it's 6. It's 6 for the loss of 2 wickets.
अब जोश बोलेगा. अब जोश बोलेगा.
And Ritesh walks in to ball for the Cheetahs.
अब जोश बोलेगा.
And some smart work there. And the Cheetahs get a run out as the Leopards, they seem to be crumbling.
अब जोश बोलेगा.
Oh, that's a weird dismissal.
अब जोश बोलेगा.
It's 4 down for the Leopards for 6 runs, and it's the third over. And it's the time for the magic ball. Last ball of the third over. It's 8 for the loss of 4 wickets for the Leopards. A single taken off the last ball, and the scoreboard now moves to 10 after 3 overs. And from the next 4 overs,
अब जोश बोलेगा. अब जोश बोलेगा.
and it's Aditya walking in to ball for the Cheetahs, and the Leopards they probably need to climb an Everest. 69 required of 4 overs at 17.25 runs per over. It's a dead ball. The batsman at the non-strikers was not ready. Okay, it's signaled a 6. That's great sportsman. That's great sportsmanship by Runal at long on. His signal 6 right away. We've seen even Anirudh from the Leopards do that. Anirudh and Ajinkya. Okay, it's time for the magic ball. 21 for 4 after 4.5. I beg your pardon, it's 3.5 overs. they eventually take just a single. And the Leopards now get 4 runs actually, because it was a magic ball but a no ball. Now that is
अब जोश बोलेगा.
okay. It's the umpire's review. It is the umpire's review. The umpires just want to have a second look.
अब जोश बोलेगा.
And we are just checking if it's a clean catch. Hang on, everyone. Wait, wait. Hang on, hang on. Let the umpires check it.
बघा पाय पण बघा हे बघा बघा आई शपथ क्लिअर टच आहे
थांबा थांबा, एक मिनिट एक मिनिट एक मिनिट. ऐका, कोणीच बोलू नका, तुम्ही बघा.
पक्का धडकलाय पक्का धडकलाय थांब रे घाबरतो काय बोलतात सिक्स आहे हो क्लीन टेकलाय काय नको सांगू कानात नाही थांबताय मला मारायची काय नाही
ऐका, एक मिनिट एक मिनिट.
ऐका, अरे ऐका सगळेजण ऐका ना. लेट द अंपायर्स वॉच इट कामली. 2 मिनिट.
काहीच बोलत नाही. ऐका ऐका ऐका. खरंच बाहेर ना, काय बोलत नाही ना. नेट हालताना दिसत नाही अजिबात. कुठं नेट डिस्टर्ब झालं का बघा. आउट क्लिअर आउट. काय होईल? सिग्निफिकंटली आत. ठीक आहे, ही जी बॅक लाईन आहे की बॅक लाईन गोलची, त्याच्यावर तुझा पाय आउट आउट.
Okay, bit of a drama here.
त्यांची आपण गेम केली जाणे
बाहेर कोण मागत कोणतरी सांभाळणार. एकदा काम आमच्या टीम मध्ये
आईचा पॅच
Okay, a little bit of a drama here. It's 25 for 4 after 3.5. Hang on, the umpires are going towards the boundary line to check. They're taking the line as a reference, the line that we saw in the video. They'll take all the time they want to give their final call, but whatever call they decide shall be the final call.
तो मेन कॅमेरा लाव बरं एकदम मेन कॅमेरा म्हणजे ती दिसून काय निघाले विकेट गोलच्या लक्षात येईल हे बघा तिथं त्याचा पाय हे बघ या लाईनला क्लिअर दिसतंय उलट झूम करण्यात झूमनं कन्फ्यूज होतं ऑलमोस्ट एवढं दिसतोच
Okay, so it's a clean catch. The umpires have given their decision, which, as we've decided, is the final and the last decision. And great job there by Runal to pick it up on long on. It would have been a crucial point in the game because it was a magic ball, I presume. And so it'll be -5 runs. And it's 20 for 5 after 4 overs. 20 for 5. And 59 required of 3. Would have made a difference of 17 runs if that would have gone for a 6.
क्लीन कळत होतं लांब झूम जेवढं केलं तेवढं कन्फ्यूज होत होता झूम मध्ये ते
Okay, hang on. It's the umpire's review. Just a moment. Just give us a moment. The umpires feel that it might just have pitched behind the pitching line, the reference line, and if it comes down to that, it will be signaled a no ball. It's a clean ball. It's not a no ball. (23 for 5), 24 for 5. Beg your pardon. After 4.5, and it's the time for magic ball. Regardless of which ball it is, a wicket here is going to seal the deal for the Cheetahs because it's the last wicket.
अब जोश बोलेगा.
Runal walks in. He played a smashing knock. And the Cheetahs have got this.